Let's get going. Solve the equation, find the value of x.
Bruh.
Test yourself, pause the video, write down your answer, and watch till the end to find out if your answer is correct or not.
Vegeta, what does the scouter say about his power level? It's over 9,000!
Join my community, subscribe.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Solution path overview.
Mom, I love you. P.O.P. all the time.
Touch the like button if you had the correct answer. Thank you for subscribing.
I like this one.
Touch the like button if you had the correct answer. Thanks for watching.
Sensational.